Good morning, Year 1, and I hope you're ready for another maths lesson today. We've been looking at all the things you've been putting on Seesaw, and we're very impressed with your subtraction so far, so well done, and all the things that you're using to help you subtract. So great work. Today, you are going to be using a number line again for subtraction, so you can use a ruler. You could even have a go making your own number line if you really wanted to, or at the end of the video, when I put myself on pause, you can use the number line on my screen if you need to. On the worksheet, you will have a number line too, so we've got lots of opportunities for you to use that. Okay, we are going to be subtracting again today, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how we get on with this. For now, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to do our do now and check our knowledge again so far. So are you ready? Great. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, I would like to know what 1 less than 16 is. What is 1 less than 16? And here I've got some 10s and 1s, so you need to count the 10s and 1s and then take away the 1s on the right there. So count how many 10s and 1s there are and take away the 1s on the right. 19 minus 5 is 14. So what's 19 minus 4? You can use some of your number bonds there to help you. And what's missing from this equation? 5 add something makes 15, or 15 subtract 5 is what? Can you finish the part-whole model here? Okay, I'm going to give you 3 minutes for this one. Put me on pause and have a go. Off you go. Great work. Let's see what you got. 1 less than 16 is, you guessed it, 15. Well done. Now we had 13, 14, 15 there on the side, and we took away 3, and our answer was 12. Well done, guys. 19 minus 5 is 14. So 19 minus 4, you guessed it, it's 15. We could have used our number bonds 5 and 4 for 9 to help us with that one. What's missing? Well, if we add 5 to 10, we'd get 15. Or if we subtracted 5 from 15, we'd have 10. Our missing number is 10. Great work. Okay, like I said, today we're subtracting using our counting back method. So remember, we're not taking things away from a sum using objects this time. We are subtracting using a number line, using our counting backwards. Okay, you can do this in your head or you can use a number line. I suggest using a number line because it really helps us remember the number that we are taking away today. Okay, let's have a little look. So my first sum is 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3. So I'm going to get my number line and I'm going to have a go. 14 minus 3. The first thing I do is write my sum. 14 minus 3. My number 14 doesn't want to show up very well there. Let's see if I can rub it out and get it a bit clearer for you. There we go. 14 minus 3 equals. Now we did this yesterday, so we should know our steps really well. I've written my equation. The next step is to circle the number that I'm subtracting. The number I'm subtracting is 14. So I'm going to find 14 on my number line. Here it is. It's closer to the 20 than the 0. So I'm going to circle my number 14. Okay, I've got my number 14. The next thing I need to do is minus my sum. Okay, how many am I taking away? I'm taking away 3, which means I make 3 jumps. Again, I'm not going to write these jumps down. You can write them down if you want to, but I'm just going to choose to use my finger this time. So I'm going to make my 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. I've landed on the number 11. Let me show you that again. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. I made my 3 jumps. 14 minus 3 is 11. If you wanted to have a double check of that, you could easily do 4 minus 3, which we know is 1. Okay, 14 minus 3 is 11. Fantastic. Let's have a look at that in action. We circled our 14. We made 3 jumps and our answer was 11. Fantastic. All right, bit trickier this time. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. So the first thing I have to do for 15 minus 6 is write my sum. So I'm writing 15 minus 6. Okay. Written my sum. I need to find the number 15. Where is the number 15 on my line? It's closer to 20. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. So I'm going to circle the number 15. How many jumps am I making this time? 6. Which way are my jumps going? Are they going forwards or are they going backwards? Backwards. We know they're going backwards because we are subtracting, which means our number is going smaller. So my jumps need to go this way. 15 minus 6. So how many jumps do I need to make? 6. Okay, I'm going to make my 6 jumps. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number I landed on was 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. Let me show you those jumps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I landed on the number 9. Brilliant. Let's see this in action. We started with the number 15 because that is the number that we are subtracting from. We knew we were going backwards on the number line and we had to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. Whew, that was a lot of jumps. And our number we landed on was the number 9. Fantastic work. Okay, let's have another try. Okay, my sum is what? My sum is 14 minus 6. Okay, so I'm going to write that down. 14 minus 6. Brilliant. I've written my sum down and I'm ready to start. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is find... I haven't written my sum correctly. I've written 14 and 6. Oh, I need to check my equation sign. Well, that is equals, and that is, it's plus. Was that the sum I said? Absolutely not. My sum was 14 minus 6. Thank you for double checking. I would have got very confused when I got to my number line. 14 minus 6. Now what? Now I need to find the number 14 on my number line. So I'm going to look for the number 14. There it is. I'm going to circle my number 14. This time I'm subtracting what number? Where is the number I'm subtracting? The number I'm subtracting is 6. Fantastic. So I need to make how many jumps? I need to make 6 jumps. Okay, so I'm going to make 6 jumps. Watching me carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've landed on the number 9. I'm going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That doesn't seem right to me. What did I do? Let me draw them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I know what I did wrong. I counted on the number 14. That's where I went wrong. I did 1 and then I counted. Make sure you don't do that, okay? So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number I land on is the number 8. Fantastic. 14 minus 6 is 8. You've got to be careful that we don't fall into that trick there, okay? 14 minus 6, we get the number 14. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps, which gives us the number 8. Great work. Okay, my new sum is this. What does my new sum say? 15 minus 7. Fantastic. So the first thing I'm going to do is write 15 minus 7. Great. I've written 15 minus 7. The next thing I need to do is circle my numbers. So I'm going to circle the number 15 and I'm going to circle the number 7 and then I'm going to count the jumps in between them. No? Why do I not need to circle the number 7? Oh, because that's the number of jumps we're making. Ah, thank you. I only need to circle the number I'm subtracting from. Okay, so I've circled the number I'm subtracting from. Now I make my 7 jumps. Got it. Okay, because I'm subtracting 7, I make my 7 jumps. Okay, you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got the number 8. Is that right? Let's double check. Let's do our jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Absolutely. Well done. 15 minus 7 is 8. Great work. And let's see it in action. We've got our number line. We found the number 15 and we circled it because we knew that was the number we're subtracting from. We went backwards on the number line and we went backwards how many jumps? 7. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we landed on the number 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Great work. All right, so let's give this one a try. All right, you're going to help me a little bit with this one. What is the first thing I need to do? Write my number. Okay, so I need to write 17 minus 9. So I'm going to write 17 minus 9. Brilliant. All right, and I'm ready to go. I'm not ready to go. Did I write 17 minus 9? Thank you. I wrote it the wrong way round. That wouldn't have helped, wouldn't it? 17 minus 9. Well spotted, guys. 17 minus 9. Right. I've written my equation, and the first thing I need to do now is find the number 17. Is the number 17 closer to 0 or 20? It's closer to 20. Well done. Let's see if we can find it. Here it is, number 17. Okay, I've written the numbers. I've circled the number 17. Now what do I need to do? Okay, I've circled 17. Now I need to subtract the number. What number am I subtracting? 9. Okay, so how many jumps do I need to make? 9. All right, I'm going to make my 9 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it. I didn't do my jumps correctly. How did I not do my jumps correctly? I didn't jump one at a time. I did too many jumps. Oh no. I better do that again then, hadn't I? Okay, 17. How many jumps do I go on each number? Okay, I'll do that. Counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, guys. We've got 8. That sounds a bit more like it. Let's see if we can double check our answer. How many jumps should it be? 9. Okay, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 17 minus 8 is 17 minus 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. Fantastic. Let's see it in action. We circled the number 17. How many jumps did we make? Absolutely. We made our 9 jumps. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And our answer was 8. Brilliant work, everyone. All right. Last one, and then you're going to have a go all by yourself. Okay. The first thing that I need to do is what? Write my sum. Okay. I'm going to write my sum. What is my sum? 14 minus 8. Okay, let's write that down. 14 minus 8. Okay, I've written down 14 minus 8. Now what do I do? I circle the number. Which number do I circle? The number 14. Well done. Why am I circling the number 14? Because it's the number we're subtracting from. Brilliant. Tell me when to stop for the number 14. Great work, guys. You found the number 14. Okay, I've done that. I've circled the number 14. Am I going forwards or backwards along my number line? Backwards, because we're subtracting, which means the number has to get smaller. We're going closer to 0. Well done. What is the number I'm subtracting? 8. Okay, how do you know that's the number I'm subtracting? Great, because it comes after the subtraction sign. So we're subtracting 8, which means we do how many jumps? 8 jumps. Brilliant. Okay. Do I need to be careful with my jumps? Do I start here with 1? No, I start on the next number. Okay. Counting with me. Let's do our 8 jumps then. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number did we land on? 6. All right. You have a go. Double check our answer. Do the jumps. Did you get the same answer? Fantastic. 14 minus 8 is 6. Let's see that in action. We found number 14. How many jumps did we do? We did 8 jumps. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 big jumps, and we landed on the number 6. So 14 minus 8 is 6. Fantastic. All right, it's your go. You're going to do this all by yourself. Are you ready? What is the first thing we have to do? Write our sum. Okay, what do we do after we write our sum? We circle the number. Which number do we circle? We're circling the number 12. Fantastic. And that is because that is the number we're subtracting. How many jumps do we need to make? 4. Great. And we make those jumps forwards, don't we? No, backwards, because we're subtracting. Fantastic. And then we write our answer, which is the number we land on. Very good. All right. I'm going to put my screen on for you, so you can use my number line if you need to. Our sum is what? 12 minus 4. Okay, you're going to put me on pause, and you're going to have a go at the sum. 12 minus 4. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Off you go. Great. You've had a go. Let's see what answer you came up with. What do you think 12 minus 4 is? You think it's 8. Okay, let's have a look. The first thing you did was you writ the sum. Then you circled the number 12. Then you made how many jumps? 4. So you went 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. And you got, what do you mean I didn't do my last jump properly? Oh, my jump's too big. Very good, thank you. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Better? Great. You did your 4 jumps. What number did you land on? 8. Fantastic. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Brilliant. Let's see in action one more time. We found 12 on our number line. How many jumps did we make? 4, because that's the number we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we landed on 8. Brilliant work. All right. You're going to do this one again, all by yourself. All right. Tell me what's the first thing you're going to do. Write the sum. Okay, you're going to write the sum. Then what do you do? Circle the number. Which number are you circling? The number 15. Why are you circling the number 15? Because that's the number we're subtracting from. Well done. And what number are we subtracting? 8. Well done. So how many jumps are you going to make? 8. All right, I'm going to put my screen on for you. Here's your number line. 15 minus 8. You're going to put me on pause. Have a go. Off you go. Fantastic. You had a go. You circled the number 15. You did your 8 jumps. You did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your answer was 7. Great, because 15 minus 8 is 7. So your equation would have looked like this. 15, we make our jumps, we make 8 jumps, and we get to the answer 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Brilliant work. Okay, bit of a puzzle for you then. We can use our number line and subtraction to figure out word problems. So here's my word problem. There were 13 muffins. 13 muffins. 6 muffins were eaten. How many muffins are left? There were 13 muffins. 6 muffins were eaten. How many are left? Now, the first thing we have to do is work out if this is an addition or a subtraction equation. The muffins were eaten, which means they're no longer there. So it has to be subtraction. Now we need to figure out what number we're subtracting. How many went away? 6. Brilliant. So our sum is 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. There were 13 muffins. 6 were eaten. They want to know how many is left. Great. Now we know what to do from here because we've got our equation and we can use our number line. So what do I do? Great. I find the number 13. How many am I subtracting? 6. 6 muffins were eaten. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many muffins were left? 7 muffins were left. 13 muffins we started with, 6 were eaten, we made our jumps, we think there are 7 muffins left. Let's count our jumps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant. Let's see if we were right. Our sum was 13 minus 6. And it made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. The answer is 7. Brilliant. Okay, let's listen to this equation. We're listening carefully, okay? There were 17 cars in the car park. There were 17 cars in the car park. After school, there were only 9 cars left. So how many cars drove away? Ooh, bit difficult this one. I'm going to say it again. There were 17 cars in the car park. After school, only 9 cars were left. How many cars drove away? Let's look at our sum. Our sum starts with 17. There were 17 cars in the car park. After school, there were only 9 left, which means some of them went away. So we know our sum is subtraction. 9 were left. Well, that sounds like the answer to our equation. 9 were left. How many drove away? So our equation looks like this. There were 17 cars in the car park. After school, there were only 9 left. How many drove away? So what do I do here? We've seen an equation like this before. First thing we do, we circle the number. Well done. We circle 17. Should we make our jumps? Oh, not yet. Why not yet? Exactly, because we haven't circled the number we need to jump to. This time, instead of knowing how many jumps we need to make, we need to figure out how many jumps we made. So the other number I circle is 9. Absolutely. All right, I've circled the number 9. Now I can make my jumps. Fantastic. We're going to count the jumps together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many jumps did I make? 8. 17 minus 8 is 9. 8 cars left the car park. Let's double check our sum. We wrote the number 17. We circled it. We circled the number 9 because that's how many left. We needed to guess the jumps and we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps. 17 minus 8 is 19. What did they come up with? They said there was 17. They knew they had to get to 9 and they made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps, which meant 8 cars drove away. Amazing. Great work, guys. Okay, your turn. I'm going to read this equation to you. 12 snowflakes fell on my glove. 7 snowflakes melted. How many snowflakes are left? 12 snowflakes fell on my glove. 7 melted. How many are left? Now, the first thing we need to do is figure out our equation. So what do we think the first number in our equation is? 12. Absolutely right. So I'm going to write my number 12. 12 snowflakes fell on my glove. 7 melted away. Melted away. Does that mean our sum is addition or subtraction? Fantastic. So it's subtraction because they melted away. 12 snowflakes were on my glove. 7 melted away. What number are we subtracting? 7. Absolutely. So our sum looks like this. 12 minus 7. All right, you're going to have a go. See if you can solve the riddle. There were 12 snowflakes on my glove. 7 melted away. How many were left? What do? You circle your number that you're subtracting from. You make your jumps. How many jumps are you making? 7 jumps. And you circle the answer you're left with. All right, have a go. Put me on pause for 3 minutes. Off you go. Great, you've had a go. What answer did you come up with? Okay, you think it's 5. Right, let's have a look. You circled the number 12. How many jumps did you make? 7. Let's make our 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do you think were left? 5. 12 snowflakes, 7 melted away. There were 5 left. Let's see if you're right. The sum was 12 minus 7. We think it's 5. There were 5 snowflakes left on the glove. Well done, guys. So you're going to have a go at your worksheet now, okay? You might have some equations that have these problems in, okay? These written problems. Remember, you have to put your Cluedo head on, your detective head on, and figure out what the equation is before you start your sum using the number line. Again, I'm going to put my number line on the screen for you to use, okay? And we're going to see if we can have a go, okay? You're going to do amazing, guys, okay? Really good luck. Remember, use the number line, and we go backwards because we're subtracting, and our number is getting smaller. All right, I'm going to put my number line on the screen for you. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Bye. Bye.